Okay, I want to set my answer sheets up so that I can combine them together into one file. And then I'll have that one file to turn in as my lab report. We're building up to a more sophisticated lab report to turn in for our assignments. And in getting there, we need to learn how to combine our files together. So this is the answer sheet for exercise 12. I'm going to look at the answer sheet for exercise 13 as well. I don't want the instructions that are above this. So after I've filled in my answer sheet, I'm going to print this as a PDF. And if you recall, I did this in another video. We'll go to the print dialog box, print Adobe PDF, and I want to print the current page. Okay, I need to make sure that it is strictly limited to one page, and in this particular lab there's actually 2 pages, so I need to print the range of 5 and 6. So I select pages, and we're going to back this off, so this is 5 comma 6, and then we go ahead and say print, and that should print the last 2 pages of this particular exercise. I'm going to call this print file we'll just call this exercise 12. And you may even want to say answers. And I'll save that to my downloads. I'm going to do the same thing on lab 13. So after this pops up, and there that is over there, I'm going to also do the same thing to lab 13. And so lab 13 is a single page. So go to that current page, and we're going to print that. And again, we print it as an Adobe PDF. This one we can say print the current page, and we'll go ahead and say print. And this one we'll call exercise 13. Okay, we would do this after we have our answers on there, obviously. We go ahead, we've got our 2 PDF files, and it will also, again, auto open for me. And then the final file I want to turn into a PDF is that Word document you saw back there. So this is where I've documented my 2 labs. And I have my screenshots, my PNGs have been put there. We can turn this one into a PDF a couple different ways. You can print it as a PDF, just as you did before, or you can come down to the file save and save as an Adobe PDF. So I'll save this one as an Adobe PDF, and we'll put that also in downloads, and we'll call this Lab 6 Series Circuits. So I'll go ahead and hit save on that one, and it too will open out here in Acrobat Reader. So while that converts that, we'll set ourselves up for there, and there you see my screenshot document in Acrobat Reader. So now we want to take these 3 files and combine them into one. Eventually you'll have a cover sheet with some answers on it, and then you'll be able to combine these answer sheets. But for the time being, we're just going to combine these 3 files. Kind of like we edited our PDFs, we're going to open that edit dialog out here on the side. And there's an option, the second option down is to combine files. So I'm going to click on combine files, and I can either add the existing open files. Right now I don't want to do that because I have some files that I don't need in here. But if you just had your 3 files you want to combine, you just hit add open files. I'm going to say add files here. And now I have to get those out of my downloads, and I have to select each one of them that I want to add in. So I'm adding this one. I can hold my shift key down or my control key, and I can select all the ones that I want. I want these 3 to be combined together. So I say open that up. Now I have the opportunity to change the order of these documents if I wish, but these are the files I want. They're in there. All I have to do here now is say combine. Combine those files. It combines them into one document. Notice the document is called Binder 1. That's really not a super great name that I want for this, but it has all my answer sheets in it, and it has my document. So to rename it, so it's not called Binder 1, Let's come up here to the save dialog, and we're going to save this file. I'm going to do a save as, so I can rename this guy. For time being, I'm going to pick a folder, put it in, will be downloads again, and I will call this lab 6, my last name, or your last name. Yeah, spell it right. And now this one file is ready to be submitted into the Canvas submit. So combine that together. All my files have been combined in one place. This would have my answers on it. And so all I need to submit is a single file to the assignment activity sheet in Canvas. I don't have to worry about trying to paste my videos, paste my images and other such things. I've combined it all into one document. So I hope this helps in combining your lab files.